Today we're going to be unboxing the fashion doll, as you can tell. We have two, brunette and a blonde. We also have these two army soldiers. And we have this guy who has his own canoe. We'll be taking a look at him a little bit later. So, two on the box. Comes with these little shoes. See, kind of squishy. Oh, she's got a little tattoo. So we're going to take her hair down. Oh, okay, there she is. She's looking pretty good. So. That's her with her hair all the way down. We're gonna put her shoes on. Beautiful princess. Okay, and let's get her friend here. We're just gonna go ahead and name her Stephanie. Oh, she's got the same shoes. So she has a purple dress, no tattoos, unlike her friend. She's got a little bit more on her backside here. We're going to take her hair down too. I think that's what we're supposed to do here. Just let it out. There we go. There we are. It's beautiful. Cadence, I'm getting married. You're getting married? To who? His name is Roger. He works at the CVS down the street. He's a store manager. He's the most in love I've ever felt in my entire life. You can't marry Roger. Roger McClare? How do you know his last name? Because I'm in love with Roger from CVS. Sorry, Tiffany. I know you thought it was something real, but sometimes you just gotta let these things go. Roger's with me now. Gonna give you a hug goodbye. Never talk to me again. So next we're gonna open up the military playset, Canoe Man. He comes with a canoe and a paddle, and he comes with 3 guns. Didn't know that you needed more than one. He's got green hair. Wow. Oh my God. He's got Terminator hands. We're going to take his paddle out because somehow he can paddle and shoot 3 guns at once. That's impressive. I mean, he's a canoe assassin, so it's a quiet day on the river. Can't believe I have to kill that guy tomorrow. Biggest terrorist in all of the world. He's going to be sailing by on his party boat. Lucky for me, I'm the world's premier canoe assassin. And so, sniper rifle is next. Okay. And, okay, just like, wow. Okay, and then the 3rd gun, I also got room for the paddle because this guy is like a super multitasker, so shit is about to get real. Oh yeah. You trying to get me? Where's the other one, you son of a bitch? You think I got? That's right. I'm gonna paddle myself home and go see my woman. Oh, Roger! Hey, babe. It was a hard day at CVS today. Your dog's so nice. She likes my hair. Oh my God! Oh no! No, child, don't eat Rebecca!